Today I'm going to talk about 6 and 8 pair crossings that you find in Bedfordshire lace. A 6 pair crossing can be 3 plaits meeting at a point, or it could be 3 leaf tallies meeting at a point and then going back out into leaf tallies or plaits, or any combination of those. Sometimes you get them alternating, all sorts of different combinations, but it's the same crossing we do where you've got them all meeting at a single plait. This is the way it's written down, and I'll leave this on the screen so you can capture it. If you pause the video you can actually write it down, or I can post it at the end as well. So we have 6 pairs here coming into this point. We separate them out a little. I'll just zoom out so you can see the pairs. We separate them out because we're going to use each pair as a single thread, and we number them from the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hence a 6 pair crossing. And the first move is 2 over 3, and each time it's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it's 4 over 5, 4 over 3, 2 over 3, 2 over 1, 4 over 5, 6 over 5, and at this point you put the pin between pairs 3 and 4 in the middle, and then just tension it up gently. After putting the pin in, you've got the following moves: 2 over 3, 4 over 5, 4 over 3, 2 over 3, 4 over 5, and tension up, and you will notice that the pairs that have come from the left hand plait continue in a straight diagonal line to the right. The vertical ones you can see come from the top straight through, and the left hand ones continue straight through as well. That means you've done it correctly. Now, to carry on, I would always do the middle one first, because this helps tension it up around the pin. Occasionally it's not possible, but if at all possible, do the middle one first, just as a little tip, because it does make your work better. And I'll come on in a moment to show you the 8 pair crossing. This time I'm going to do an 8 pair crossing. You have 4 plaits coming into the pin and 4 plaits coming out. Again, this could be leaves, plaits, or a combination of. Very often you find this crossing in the middle of a rosette, if you like, of leaf tallies. So again, we're going to look at them as if they were single bobbins rather than pairs, and you're going to pick a pair up together. And again, this is the crossing we're actually doing. So we start off with the centre 4 pairs and work a half stitch. Then we take the right hand 4 pairs and work a half stitch, trying to keep them all nicely in order so that you don't get them all confused. The left hand 4 pairs are half stitch, and then we repeat that once more. So again, you just need to keep moving them around a little. Centre 4, a half stitch, the right 4, a half stitch, the left 4, half stitch. Just knock that over. Things never stand up when you want them to. And when you've done the 4 on the left the second time, you put the pin in and tension it up. It's very gently at this stage. Then you take the centre 4 pairs and work a full cloth stitch, and then 2 over 3 and 6 over 7. And your pairs again lie in the direction they were coming from. And this time I will take either the second or third plait, doesn't matter which because they're both central, and do that, and make sure you tension them up really well by working the centre one each time, pushes the crossing up to the pin. It makes it really tidy. If you did the left hand one first of the centre, do the right hand one before working the outside too. And as you can see, that makes a nice tight centre around the pin and nice crossing. Hope you've enjoyed that video and it's helped you. Leave a comment below if you've enjoyed it, if there's anything else you'd like to see, and subscribe to see new videos coming each week. Hope you enjoyed them. Thanks for watching.